Welcome back everybody, and today we're here in my redstone testing world, and as you can see I have two slightly different shovel systems here. The one on the right is more compact, this one is slightly less so, and of course compared to the regular shovel system that automatically loads your chest with the boxes after you break them, this just gives it to you since it's an ender chest, and if you lead a hopper into an ender chest, you can't actually load it. So I'm going to be giving you both tutorials. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, to start off here, we're going to be building this shovel system right here. I'll call it the E-H.O.V.E.L.S system for ender chest. The ender storage highly optimized by velocity engineered shulkers. So let's go ahead and get started with the main mechanism. Ender chest, dropper, dispenser. You're going to want to block here, and your hopper going into the dropper, and that's the main mechanism right there. So one thing I forgot to grab was a button, so let's go ahead and grab that. Place your button there, and you're going to want to set a repeater here. Let's place it on a block. Be a good redstoner. That's the right name. Then you want a monostable circuit here. So you have your repeater set to 1. You have this repeater set to 2. Then a block up here. Go ahead and place your block right here as well. 2 blocks up, destroy that block. Go back here. Place your piston. Now what you want to do is, I forgot to grab a piece of redstone. There we go. We want redstone there, block, and you're going to want a repeater here. And the way you set up the repeaters here is 1, 2, and 3 tick delay. Then you want to place your polished andesite right there. Well, not polished andesite, your building block. And then 2 redstone like so. And that makes your shovel system fully working. Of course, if you want to, you can close it in, and I would highly recommend this just to keep your shulker boxes from flying out. And you can go ahead and place a slab here as well. And now, since your ender chest comes preloaded, as long as you loaded it before, oh, right, you don't do that. Now, it works. And as you can see, I have my zombie flesh in there, because I have zombie flesh. And that does happen sometimes, I believe, yep. Anyway, it breaks your shulker box. Sometimes it can put it in here. Although that is rare, of course it decided to put it in there on camera. Usually just pushes it right into your inventory though. And as you can see, it works. So now on to the next design. Okay, to start off this shovel system, once again, it's the same front layout. Go ahead and place your ender chest, your little arch thing here. Dropper, dispenser, block, and hopper, as well as a button there to control it. Now what I want is a piston. There we go, right there. Then a redstone, a repeater, a block here. Then you want a dropper with a hopper facing into it, like so. Then you're going to want a block here, place your comparator, then a block there, and a block there, redstone right here, and right there is where you're going to place your piston. Now go ahead and fill in this area here. Once again, you can place your slab in there as well, and it will still work. Now, out back here, you're just going to want 2 blocks like there, or like so, right there. Then one repeater set to 4, and the other facing into this dropper set to 4. And now it will work like so. There we go. Oh, right. So, it worked there. However, you're supposed to place an item in this dropper so that it actually works. So that can be any item. Anyway, now, when you press this button, it will give you the thing. And actually, let's go ahead and use that as my demonstration here. Which is partially why this is a better system. But now we have another shulker box loaded, and that one is stuck there. All you have to do is activate the system again to get your old shulker box if it gets stuck there. Same with this one over here. Since when you press the button, it does push the shulker box to you. So that is the Ender, or the Ender Shulkers highly optimized, Ender storage highly optimized by velocity engineered shulkers, or E-S.H.O.V.E.L.S. Now, just a little bit of an extra thing here. As you can see, this design here, from here, let's get some other block so you can see. This stretch here is the old design for the shovels, and as you can see, I have optimized the highly optimized storage system by changing the dimensions of it, so it now takes 1 less block vertically, or on the top, and 1 less block on the bottom. And of course, the link to the original design is in the description, as long as I remember. But I'm going to go ahead and give you the small tutorial here. So, get a repeater, get a redstone, 2 blocks like so, repeater set to 3, redstone, and you can fill that slot in there. And that's the bottom bit. And on the top here, you take a building block, or redstone block, you destroy those 2 redstone, and you place that right there. And now you have an even more highly optimized shulker system. Let's just throw that in there. And as you can see, it works just the same. And it is slightly more tileable. Although you will still need a block in between systems if you're doing a vertical design, although that does give some creative privileges for creating a gangway up top. But anyway, that's going to do it for today's episode. So, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!